Now this figure 19-3A deals with sizing a non-automatic circuit breaker or a non-fusible disconnect capable of disconnecting the running current and the lock rotor current of an AC unit. Now the NEC loop, if you just wanted, say, to size the conductors, and it refers you to 440.32. The overcurrent device, 440.22a. Overload settings, 440.52a1 and a2. The disconnect, the location is 440.14, so that to be within 50 foot bird's eye view in accordance with insight defined in Article 100. The sizing of the disconnect, is 440.12a, based upon the running current and the lock rotor current. So we use table 430.250 for running current, table 430.251 for lock rotor current. And this illustration then is showing you that the compressor full load current is 29 amps as you look at review the illustration. The condenser motor, the full load amps, is 2.5 with a lock rotor of 180. It's a 460 volt three-phase supply. Now, with this information, we can look at the second part of this illustration in this figure, 19-3B, and determine what these sizing, in other words, would be required in accordance with a non-automatic circuit breaker and a non-fusible disconnect.